This video is going to be about ordering progressives from VRX Lab. A little bit of the front page here. If you want to see the status of a job that you've already keyed in, you can hit job status, and then the status of those jobs will be on the list here, and you can pull it up by opening it up over here once clicked on. So if you want to place an order for a pair of progressives, you click order entry. First thing you need is a reference. And then you want to decide whether you're going to order uncut lenses, edge it yourself, mounted, meaning you're going to send us the frame and we're going to edge it for you. A combo order, which is a frame and lens together, which will be addressed in another video. Remote edging is coming soon. So in this, we're going to have a uncut order. The RX is going to be -2, -50 at 180 with the 250 add, and a -2 with the same 250 add. Notice that the 250 automatically populated once we got to it. Second step, source. The best source is using the standard shape. When using standard shape, you have the initial shapes that are here, and if you hit number 2, there's additional shapes that can be selected. This gives you the best cutout opportunity to make sure that the lens is cut out and comes up with the thinnest product possible if you select the closest shape. So for my example, we're going to go back to 1. It's going to be this shape here. We're going to do a 55. And then the B is going to be 34, and the DBL is going to be 16. The next step is to select the frame. Is it plastic, metal, nylon, rimless, thick nylon, which would be, looks similar to a nylon, but if the metal goes into the frame, it would be a thick nylon. So in our selection, we actually have a plastic frame. We're going to do a PD, and we need a seg height for this. That would be 32, and our seg height was 19. Auto populates that. Then we go down to the lens selection. So lens selection is here. Do you want sport, office, traditional bifocal? We would like a progressive in this example. We're going to do a 167. We're going to do a clear option. And these are our progressives, starting from our most basic to our most high-end or most premium progressive, which is the USD. So for this example, we'll select the UHD. When you select this, we have 167, but we do have Blue Max and Blue Max Ultra and Clear options for this particular product. So for this product, Clear is straight 167. We have 167 Blue Max and 167 Blue Max Ultra. We had a seg height of 18. These are the minimum heights here. We're going to click the 18 for our option here. Every single time you have to pick a coating. So whether it be a hard coat or satin 3 UV, satin azure, satin clear, even mirror coats that will be located on this list here, you select that. For our example here, we're going to use satin clear. Every time you pick a clear lens, it's going to actually select a tint. If no tint is needed, you must select no tint. Or if there's a tint, you can add it, but if there's no tint, you must select no tint. We have no tint in our particular example today, and then you hit accept. Once you hit accept, all of the information and everything pops up. Everything is good to go. So in order to test that, we're going to hit availability. It passed the availability check, means that we didn't make any errors that would prevent us from placing this order. But suppose that we have prism. You click this button here. This allows you to put in any of the prism measurements that you possibly would want. Freeform button actually allows you to set the panoscopic tilt, face form, angle, vertex distance, and previous lens selection if known. This particular lens has an option to add personalized initials of your patient to the lens. So in my example, it's BMC, and those initials will be placed on the particular order that we're placing today. We get out of that, and this is our screen. So once you hit place order, it automatically gets sent to our lab, and the order is placed